Hello, now I am at week 1, so trying to do recording from the editor video tutorial. So I push the button, add a new discussion topic. Then I will write the subject. Recording from the editor. Video tutorial. So some buttons which we have to look at. So this is the microphone where we can record our audio with clicking this button, starts recording. Then video, also recording the video, and one button to start recording. But if we see advanced icons, so we shall see the same icons here. Audio recording. So then you can see green button with the image of microphone. Let's check it. Hello, I'm trying to record my voice. Okay, so we can check. Hello, I'm trying to record my voice. Everything is okay, so I will click the button of uploading. Here it is. Then the second button of video. So hello everybody. So again the button of recording. Hello everybody. I'm trying to check this button. Stop it. Play again. Everything's okay. Let's save it. Okay, here it is. And I'd like to post it to forum. So we check. This is my name and my video. Okay, thank you.